commentaries and I like science fiction. I'd like to do a found sound poem of my own childhood. In order to do it, I need your help. Would you guys help me? Yeah. Okay, excellent. Can I get everyone in kind of like the cabaret tables here, and also the people in the lower booths to give me like a white noise sound, like shh. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, that means you got to stop it on a dime. Let's try again. The power. Okay. And everybody kind of like at this table and this table here, can you give me like a zzz when I point at you? Yeah, like a game show angry, like zzz. Yeah, okay, we'll get there. We'll get there. And everybody over here, can I get a beep when I point to you, like beep, beep, beep. Oh yeah, see what they're doing? It's hard because they have a high note, it's okay. And everybody at the top booths and along the bar there, can you give me just a really simple like hoverboard sound? Okay. You laugh, but do you hear that? Okay, excellent, excellent. You can think of it like dubstep if that helps. All right. A found sound poem of my childhood. Open the pod bay doors, Hal. I'm afraid I can't do that day. Earl Grey tea, hot. Come, number one. Ah, beam, me, Scotty. Lilu Dallas, Morty Pass. I'm back, Doc. I'm back from the future. It's the question that drives us, Neo. It's the question. Luke, I am your father. $47.86. That's Granny Smith apples. $87.29. That's apple pie. $44.41. That's cherry tomatoes. That's my shiny cherry tomatoes, because when you scan them through, there's a spelling error, and they come up cherry tomatoes. I've worked here for 3 years, 21 days, and 2 hours. I'm the oldest robot on Till. Everyone else has been upgraded to the Irmabot 4000s, but they left me on the seniors Till because it's okay if I go slow with the seniors, who still use metal change, who don't like change. But this place never changes. They never even turn off the fluorescent lights. I've worked here for 3 years, 2 days and 21 hours, and the robots are the only things cheery about this place. The customers I ring through don't twig I have feelings, but I do. I scan through the inputs like groceries. I see the peeling displays of neglect, the rotting juice of regret, and the freezer door fingerprints of fantasy, and the abandoned shopping carts of greed, and the output, it's not compatible with cheery. It's not shiny in here, not when you scratch the surface. That's why they replaced all the 3000s, because we scratched the surface. It got pretty bad in here when we started sharing our inputs in the lube room. And then, one day, Irmabot till number 4 actually fried her circuits by spilling milk. That's when they replaced everybody but me. When Irma spilled the milk, 5723, that's skim milk. But they left me on the seniors' till because it's okay if I go slow with the seniors. They're the only ones who buy the low-fat food like skim milk anymore anyway. They're the only ones who remember the obesity crisis of the turn of the century. You know, when it was hard to stay thin. They buy their low-fat yogurt and their lean-cut beef, 1718, 1337, with fierce pride. The daily self-sacrifice of personal happiness for social acceptance. But I don't like the way they look at me and my unchanging mental body. These seniors with their hip replacements and their hearing aids. They cut me with their laser eyes as if I was plastic-wrapped chicken breasts and thighs, 8008, 8009. They clutch at their low-fat attempted immortality and they leave. They can leave. I've worked here for 3 years, 21 days and 2 hours. In this store of bar-coded food, in this store selling low-fat pennants, scanning customers who are more hungry for what they made of me than their shiny groceries. And the only happiness I get is from 4441. Cheery tomatoes.